Ka BJP Meghalaya kala Dawa nak Sarkar Jilla Wanrah Jingkylla ki Kyndon Thoh examen jong ka Meghalaya Civil Service MCS bad ka Meghalaya Police Service MPS kenang baganong kalat na mata ki samla balajan dep ikijung puli graduation bani konik examen MCS bad MPS. Habakiran ni kira patai kubor ha ka pratrik urisau arajar arpusan unong aiktian ka BJP Meghalaya ubak marihom kharkrang ulang bawat ki Kyndon jong ka UPSC Kisha ya kisamla badang le ya ka final semester jong ka graduation banto ek examen UPSC. Ndrek MPSC pat ka khot tho examen tang chisian hak sansnem. Kat ba ka UPSC ka khot banto examen man la kasnem. Uba M kharkrang uloong ba jing te Kyndon ki MPSC man amsha ek samla pelajan dep ka graduation banto examen MCS bad MPS ka tu no ek por bad ekarta jing ki samla ki brang hab ban pendep ek jing puli graduation. Kumta ka BJP Meghalaya ka sengaudai ban ajing mud ke Sarkar ban penkelano ek Kyndon ha ka baidai bat kania.
Going a petition to Chief Minister Badan Burong Jingi, so after semula receive a petition ke Jongi, berkini along halor ke recruitment mata ke ban tap kam syaka sigi MCS MPS. Berfat ki buat ki gengi penbuat bat ya ka Union Public Service Commission ke company ke exam ke Jongi, but to certain extent balak syllabus ru. Tendai dan tangi bi jing tu ko angne kalong ba UPSC ki sya ya ki kena ki la jandep ya ke graduation juki ban apply. Tangba shwa begin le kamin exams juki ki ben yo certificate la dep pass ikam degree juki. Kadba ke MPSC jungi de kim sya ikata. Te UPSC ke penong exams manusnam kadba ga MPSC de penong exams tang sisin sansnam ikata. Te hangning isngo ba ke pendulat ikti kena belajar kod ke graduation tang bagi day ba kisu slam noi te san banai nan ru banai kim yo ban apply ke nega kini post but ki hab ado san ru slam hadin ban kina apply biang te kini ngasu kalong ngasu ka pen do men se miki ban ni request ke government ban ni sikwa la ki advertising ki post ban sha ikini ki belajar graduate na kini ka belajar non graduate tam ki pat dep te tamba ni condition ba shwa begin le kamin exams le la di ben graduation kini ka penong ban ailat kambun shu ki kena berian apply kini ki post but haju ko poru lada kimyo amakanaru takamut kan experience kla don takamut ki penong bi exams kla your experience is in manila exams and ka balai ru ka day ba probably nakini benak shulat ru nginang la maybe nginang yo shu tang bun ki kena kambit shu ru te kan yarap ya ka jimpurung kam ngin yo ki kena ba kambit shu ka jimpurung kam.
Unong aiktian ka BJP Meghalaya uba M kharkrang ula pentip ba ka BJP kanikon hakanik election sya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Da ka bakdo ba ka election kalong kemudian kam namar ba ka samai trekam jang ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka bamenta kan kut no hakas nambanwan. Habakran halo karai jang Sarkar Jilla banirap sil tulap ginong trek ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council uba M kharkrang ula penpaw jang sokya bagi District Council kila bandun ka jing sier halo ka jing tumu jang Sarkar. Haga baide bagi jumpan kaya kaseng na kebentak election finally unong aktian kaseng BJP Meghalaya ulapan pau bagi BJP kalong kebelapan kaya bha da kebagdo bagi jeng kaya jeng BJP kaya besyakmat barka maaf tang ladawan ke election ulapan rap ru bagi BJP kerajaan dap pan bo iki mandal pat gelat tre seprang pan pen kaya ke election kebanwan dadok bakut ke election ar hajar ar pulai.
You see, I think so. Maybe apprehensions are there from district councils, not, and I think so. Whatever apprehensions are there, I think so. The government will have to come clear on these, where they say that the government will take over the district council or not. So these kind of apprehensions, I think so. If the government really wants to help the district council, but whenever these apprehensions are there, then they should come clear on that. So unless these apprehensions are, taken up and clarified now, then probably things will work.
Also coming to now, it is 2 years now for the assembly election. You must have started the groundwork, block level.
That they have been doing. In fact, now we have almost completed all our booths and our mandals, and probably we have all completed mandals. That is an ongoing process with the BJP. It is not that we wait for the next elections to come, then 1 year before elections we start doing our groundwork. Our groundwork starts immediately after the one election is completed, we start the groundwork for the next elections. So that's an ongoing process in the BJP.
But how will you beat this trend of religious card, playing religious card? That is a very difficult task.
We'll overcome that one day. We just watch and see.